Hi everyone, welcome to Kimber Creations. It's me, Kim, and I'm here just showing you. I have already taken it out of the box. It was a little difficult with one hand to do, but I wanted to show you. I got on the Grove bandwagon and pretty excited about this. I ordered the stuff on the 20th and it came today, the 27th, a week later, and pretty excited about it. I'll show you the two free items that I got. Was the soap dispenser, glass soap dispenser, and it's pretty heavy. And then I also got the tray. It's just a plain white one. And so then some of the items, I'll show you the items that I got. I took it out of the box so you could see what the soap looks like. And this is the lavender and oatmeal bar. And it smells really good. And I thought maybe hubby would like it, but then I realized that maybe it's a little bit too feminine for him. Sorry about that. I'm trying to get over a cold. It's not working out too well. I went to the doctor yesterday and put me on antibiotics and an inhaler. So if I cough through this, I apologize. So anyway, real quick, wanted to show you. I picked up some of the walnut scrubber sponges. I've heard good reviews on this, and so I wanted to try that out. And for inside the soap dispenser, I got the pomegranate and red currant the gel hand soap. And I love Mrs. Meyer's products, and so I got the Compassion Flower hand soap, and then the two cleaners, the everyday cleaners that I got, or clean day, I guess is what it is. The multi-surface is what I'm trying to say, is the pumpkin scent. I had picked that up at our local store a while back and was running low, and I noticed that they had that, so I picked that up. And then this was the really cute box that the bottle came in. And then I wanted to try the Method brand of toilet cleaner and then the bathroom cleaner. So, and I figure since I'm not feeling all that great, that maybe hubby could try them out and see what he thinks. So anyway, thanks for watching. I have a few other things I'd like to share, but I'll save that for another video so they're not too long. And if you haven't gotten on the Grove bandwagon, I think maybe you'd like to try it if it's your thing, especially if you really like Mrs. Meyer's cleaners. They have quite a bit in there. So anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this, and we will talk to you all later. Thanks for watching.